Join me as I dive into the future of DJI Avata 3 and try to predict what's next for this incredible drone. The DJI Avata series has been a game-changer in the drone industry, with its predecessors setting the bar high for aerial cinematography and immersive flight experiences. The anticipation is building for the next release, and in this video, we're going to explore what's next for the Avata 3. DJI has been facing some stiff competition in recent years, with other brands stepping up their game and offering innovative features and improvements. One of the biggest challenges DJI faces is meeting the increasingly high expectations of consumers who are looking for drones that can deliver more than just stunning visuals. The company needs to find ways to innovate and improve its products while keeping up with the demands of a rapidly changing market. Another challenge DJI faces is the rapidly evolving technology landscape. With advancements in areas like AI, machine learning, and computer vision, the possibilities for drone development are endless. However, this also means that DJI needs to invest heavily in R&D to stay ahead of the curve and ensure that its products remain competitive. Consumers are also becoming more discerning, looking for drones that can offer more than just a few flashy features. They want drones that are reliable, easy to use, and can deliver high-quality results consistently. This means that DJI needs to focus on building products that are not only innovative but also practical and user-friendly. In addition to these challenges, DJI also needs to navigate the complex regulatory landscape surrounding drone usage. With an increasing number of countries implementing stricter regulations and laws governing drone use, the company needs to ensure that its products comply with these regulations while still delivering the features and capabilities that consumers want. When it comes to potential upgrades and features for the Avata 3, one area that DJI could focus on is improving camera capabilities. With advancements in sensor technology and image processing, it's possible that we could see even higher resolution and frame rates, as well as improved stabilization and tracking capabilities. Another area that could use some improvement is battery life. While DJI has made significant strides in extending flight times, there's still room for improvement. Perhaps we could see the introduction of more efficient battery technology or even advanced solar panel technology to extend flight times even further. New flight technologies are also an area of great interest. With the rise of autonomous flight and obstacle avoidance, we could see even more advanced features like advanced tracking modes, improved follow-me capabilities, or even fully autonomous flight modes. One rumor that's been circulating is the possibility of a new, more advanced obstacle avoidance system that uses advanced sensors and AI to detect and respond to obstacles in real time. This could be a game changer for drone pilots, allowing for even safer and more reliable flight experiences. Another potential feature that could set the Avata 3 apart from its competitors is advanced weather resistance. With the ability to fly in a wider range of weather conditions, drone pilots would have even more flexibility and creative freedom. One key insight that I think could be a major differentiator for the Avata 3 is the possibility of advanced AI-powered editing capabilities. Imagine being able to capture stunning footage and then having the drone's AI automatically edit it into a polished, professional-looking video. This could be a major selling point for the Avata 3 and would set it apart from other drones on the market. In conclusion, the Avata 3 is poised to be a major release for DJI, and the company has a lot of opportunities to innovate and improve upon its predecessors. With the drone market continuing to evolve and grow, it's exciting to think about what the future holds for this incredible technology. So, what do you think? What features do you want to see in the Avata 3? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos on DJI products for more insights and analysis.